Hello everyone, SageBox here, and today I'm going to do an exciting unboxing of Ultimate Ear's all new Hyperboom. So without further ado, let's get to it. So this over here is going to be the all new Hyperboom, and it comes with some features that are 100% welcome, like the extreme bass, which I'm all in for. It has 4 different inputs, so 4 ways to connect. It has 24 hours of battery life, and as well as IPX4 splash proof, which is awesome. So I'll bring this up a little bit closer so you guys can see what it is right there. So it's crystal clear. So let's go ahead and flip the speaker box to the back and see what else we can see. And the first thing that popped up in my face, honestly, is going to be the Party Up. Reason being just because of how insane Party Up is. You can connect literally 150 plus of these speakers together, but now they're adding the Hyperboom to that list. That's pretty insane. I can only imagine how loud it can get. But the speaker also can look really good indoor if you leave it inside, and also outdoor if you take it outdoor. And the 4 inputs that I talked about earlier, you can connect them into, for example, like your smartphone, tablet, laptop, or TV, which that's 4 right there, which is cool. And another thing too is that looked really awesome is going to be adaptive EQ. I'm really stoked about this because I do have Sonos, and Sonos has TruePlay, and it works awesome, and I can't wait to see how well it's going to work on the Ultimate Ear's Hyperboom speaker. You're also going to get the charge feature where you can charge your phone on it, which is pretty cool. And just like any other Logitech or Ultimate Ear's product, you're going to get 2-year manufacturer warranty with them. So let's go ahead and open the box, and I'm going to use my trusty box cutter, which I probably can't see. And to be honest, like trying to open this box kind of seemed a bit tricky to begin with. If you open it from the top, it opens on the side, which I don't know why, but hey, I'm not here to judge. On the side of the box, there's going to be a little hidden box on the side, which is going to come with basic stuff that you would get traditionally, like the startup guide for if you need to see a couple things. If you're new to Ultimate Ears, that's a good thing for you. You're gonna get the wall charging brick, and then the cable that will connect to it that gives it power. And now let's go into the main attraction, which is going to be the speaker itself, the Hyperboom. To be honest, I struggled a bit at the beginning. I don't know why, maybe I'm just the unlucky person, but I was able to eventually get it out. And there you go, out of the box. First thing you see is going to be the giant power button, and then the 2 up and down volume button. And on the right side, you're also going to see the 4 inputs, which is Bluetooth 1 and 2, auxiliary, and also optical, where you can go ahead and connect it to your TV or vinyl player, whatever it is that you wanted to connect it to, which is awesome. So let's go ahead and turn it on real quick and put it into a good test. The Bluetooth person. Let me go ahead and Bluetooth. Oh, I don't know I had one. Cool. Alright, so connected. Let's play this song. Love this song, really good beat. it sounds really good, and it has a punchy bass. So let's go ahead and talk about the ports that the speaker has, and it does actually have a few of them at the back. And the first one being the USB charging port, where you can go ahead and charge your smartphone with it if you need to. And the second is going to be the optical port. This third is going to be the auxiliary, and the last one is going to be the charging port for the speaker. And then also on the side, you're going to get a very handy strap to carry the speaker with. I wouldn't consider the speaker too heavy, but having a strap is very handy when you're on the go. And this concludes my unboxing of the Hyperboom. I hope you liked it, and peace.